Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Whall 000RPM Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is an upgraded model that promises an impressive list of features, including a strong brushless motor, a V-shaped roller brush, a powerful filtration system, and up to 55 minutes of runtime. Let's break it all down and see if this vacuum lives up to its claims. The Whall Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its 25 kPa suction power made possible by the upgraded brushless motor. With 3 suction modes to choose from, you can adjust the power depending on whether you're tackling light dust, pet hair, or more stubborn debris. The powerful suction is designed to work on both carpets and hard floors, as well as stairs and cars. So how does that translate to real-world performance? The motor delivers consistent suction, ensuring you don't need to go over the same spot multiple times. This is especially handy for busy households or homes with pets, where quick, efficient cleaning is key. The brushless motor also brings a quieter operation, a feature that's often overlooked but highly appreciated if you've ever used a noisy vacuum. Next up, we've got the upgraded V-shaped roller brush. This design features a combination of rigid and soft bristles, which work together to clean a variety of floor types. The V-shape helps capture debris from both hard floors and carpets, lifting dust and pet hair with ease. The LED electric brush head is a nifty addition, lighting up dark corners, under furniture, and even the bottom of your bed. This makes it much easier to spot dust or hair that might have otherwise been missed. If you've ever struggled to clean under a low bed or couch, this feature could be a game changer. The vacuum's battery life is another key selling point. It's equipped with a large capacity battery that provides up to 55 minutes of runtime in standard mode. This should be more than enough for a typical cleaning session, even in larger rooms or multiple areas. However, if you need more power for deep cleaning, you can switch to max mode, which provides 16 minutes of intense suction. Charging is straightforward too, thanks to the wall mount that doubles as a charging station, saving valuable storage space while keeping the vacuum charged and ready for use. When it comes to ease of use, the Whall vacuum scores highly. The cordless design means no more tangled cords to worry about, making it perfect for quick, on-the-go cleaning. It's lightweight, allowing you to carry it around effortlessly, even if you're tackling multiple floors. The multifunctional brush is another highlight. It can be quickly swapped out to convert the vacuum into a handheld model. This is great for cleaning everything from car interiors to upholstery and those tricky nooks and crannies in your home. Switching between configurations is simple and quick, which is always a plus in busy households. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its 4-layer efficiency filtration system. Combining cyclone technology with a high-density filter, it promises to capture up to 99.99% of fine dust and particles. This makes it a great option for allergy sufferers, as it prevents the release of dust back into the air. Plus, the filters are washable, and you even get an extra one as a gift, which is a nice bonus. In terms of maintenance, you'll need to clean the filter regularly, but it's a simple process, and the extra filter makes it convenient to keep the vacuum running smoothly. Now, let's talk real-world usage. Assembling the vacuum was quick and easy, with clear instructions and no complicated parts to figure out. When I took it for a spin, the vacuum performed admirably on a mix of carpet and hard floors. On carpets, it did a solid job of lifting embedded dirt and pet hair, while on hard floors, the suction power was more than sufficient to clean up dust and small debris. The V-shaped roller brush made a noticeable difference, especially when tackling hair that often clogs traditional brushes. While cleaning stairs, the vacuum was easy to maneuver, and I was able to reach every step without much effort. The handheld mode was particularly useful for upholstery and car interiors, where the compact size of the vacuum made it simple to clean tight spaces. However, no vacuum is without its flaws. While the suction power is impressive, the battery life does drop off a bit in max mode, and 16 minutes might not be enough for larger cleaning jobs if you're working on higher pile carpets. Additionally, while it's lightweight, the dustbin could have a larger capacity. On longer cleaning sessions, you might find yourself emptying it more frequently, though it's easy to do so. The LED brush head, while a great feature on Reviewsinsidetv, may also be a bit too bright for some users, especially if you're cleaning in the evening. The Whall vacuum holds up well in the value for money department. It offers excellent suction, versatility, and runtime, all at a reasonable price. When compared to other cordless vacuums in the same range, like the Black & Decker or Dyson V7, the Whall vacuum stands out with its strong suction power, multi-surface cleaning capability, and relatively long battery life. While Dyson models may offer more premium features, the Whall vacuum provides strong competition at a fraction of the cost, making it an attractive choice for those looking for a well-rounded, budget-friendly option. In terms of build quality, the vacuum feels solid, with durable plastic and well-designed parts that don't feel flimsy. The brush roll is sturdy, and the connections are secure, ensuring a long-lasting vacuum. Cleaning the brush roll is straightforward, and the filter is easy to maintain, ensuring that the vacuum will continue to perform well with proper care. Based on the materials and construction, I expect this vacuum to hold up well over time, but long-term durability can always be a bit of a question mark with newer models. That being said, Whall's reputation for reliability is solid, so I'd expect a decent lifespan. Customer support, while not something I had to interact with personally, appears to be responsive this Philip. Based on general reviews of the brand, the vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty, and Whall typically handles returns and issues fairly quickly, according to customer feedback. If you're wondering how the Whall compares to some of the other models out there, consider the Shark Ion F80 or the Tineco A11. These vacuums also offer strong suction and versatile cleaning modes, but the Whall is generally lighter and more affordable, making it a solid choice if you're looking for a budget-conscious option. In terms of performance, it holds its own against pricier models, although you may find that high-end vacuums like the Dyson V8 or the Miele C3 outperform it in some specific categories, like deep carpet cleaning or premium filtration. In summary, the Whall 000RPM Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent option for anyone in need of a lightweight, versatile vacuum that can handle everything from pet hair to dust. It's easy to use, performs well across multiple surfaces, and offers great value for the price. While there are a few areas where it could improve, particularly in terms of battery life at higher suction levels and dustbin capacity, overall, it's a strong contender in the cordless vacuum market. It's a solid pick for pet owners, people with hard floors, or anyone looking for a hassle-free, efficient cleaning experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to get your own Whall vacuum is in the comments box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences with the vacuum in the comments. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a clean home is a happy home.